A young boy plays with colorful birds in the garden. He gently feeds them seeds from his hand. The birds react with joyful chirping and fluttering. Some birds perch on his shoulder and hat. The boy giggles as a bird playfully pecks his cheek. A blue jay lands nearby, watching curiously. The boy imitates the bird's call, sparking interest. A group of sparrows joins, flitting around excitedly. The vibrant parrot laughs, mimicking the boy's giggle. The peaceful scene brings smiles to everyone watching. Slow motion shows the birds in flight around him. The boy feels connected to nature's beauty. He waves goodbye as the birds fly away. Please subscribe to my channel, appears on screen.